the status on the cargo for the Falcon?
Well, working as fast as I can, Malta, but I can't just... What? Where'd that come from?
Gar?
Hey, come here, buddy. How'd you get here? You shouldn't be wandering around a spaceport.
What are you doing?
Well, there's this little fluff ball that just hopped up here. He's so cute.
Gar, we don't have time.
Well, he's got cute little web feet and the biggest eyes you've ever...
Whatever it is, leave it alone and get back to work.
No, I think this little fellow was stowed away on the Falcon.
Sure, great, whatever. Please, just don't...
I'm gonna try to touch it. Yep, razor sharp teeth. Where are you going, little guy?
Gar.
Oh boy, you should see this, Malta. I just hopped right up on the generator and... Yeah. Malta?
Yep. Okay. Paging maintenance. Maintenance to Hangar Bay 4. For the health and safety of everyone.
This is made up to be like inside of a smuggler or like a imperial building. Oh, look at that.
What?
Look at that.
Right, so how many cameras?
What?
How many?
2.
Hang on one second. Alright, next one over the next one on the right.
Wait.
Right, next one here? So we're gonna go over to the next one on the right.
This is hello, my friends. I am Togo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You buckle my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll give you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. But the first one will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And you, of course, after all, even split 70-25 minus your 10% off 25. Yes, what is it?
There's a big problem down in shipping. All of these trains are stamped medical supplies, but they're actually full of highly explosive ion disruptors.
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Ship them. Well, I have.
So if you want to fly the ship, you want to shoot stuff. I don't remember what the engineer does. There's a pilot co-pilot.
What?
you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on, and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case. Engineers, automatic repair engaged. Pilots, autopilot engaged. Only one gunner. I hope you have a good show. Weapons are online. Now let's go get that coaxium. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Ah, there it is! After that train! Excellent! Now, gunners! Shoot the cargo free! My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Gunners, up the harpoon. Gunners, shoot the train. That cargo is breaking, keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We have to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get up! Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers! We've got company! Chu is right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. Mr. Last, you did it! Watch out! Oh, that's going to be good. Great job, my friends. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough. Unload!
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.